Aging. I'm Maureen, and today we're going to work on Viparita Karani with the wall and strap, blanket, and mat. So take your mat to the wall and your blanket and create a great big loop into your strap. So for me, I've got it about as wide as my arms go here. Snug up that left side right against the wall. Draw your knees in towards your chest. Lie back on your back so the left shoulder is coming in as well. Place the hand onto the wall and swing those legs back up. Center yourself and then place your strap just onto the abdomen as you reach back for your mat underneath your blanket. And as you catch hold of either side of the mat, roll the shoulders under and traction here so you press the buttock against the wall. So the buttock goes into the wall and down. And then from here, take your blanket and create a little bit of support here for your head. So you can bring it in, roll it another time, and again, until you get a nice support underneath the head. Then take your strap to the outer edges of your feet so you can bend into your knees slightly and place the strap onto the feet, straighten into the legs, and then separate the feet nice and wide. So you can see here, I've got a window, so best case scenario, you do have a full wall, but you separate the legs, let the strap support them, press the thighs against the wall, lift the kneecaps, and then press the sit bones into the wall and down so that there's a softness in the abdomen. Hands can come out to the side as in Shavasana and just roll those shoulders under. Staying here nicely supported, the longer you stay here, the more recuperative it will be. So you can stay here for 5 to 10 minutes. And when you're done, to come out, you can just bring the legs together, remove the strap, and bend into your knees, place your right hand off to the side, and just roll over onto the right hand side, bringing yourself up to a comfortable sit. So that's the end of the session for today. Namaste, thank you for watching, and please feel free to contact us with any questions.